Hello students, let us solve the exercise questions 15.1. First question is we have to find the mean deviation about the mean for the data in the exercise questions 1 and 2. So here first question is 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. So here we have to find out the mean deviation about the mean. So here first write down the formula, that is mean equal to sum of the observations divided by total number of the observations, and mean deviation about mean is 1 by n into summation of absolute values of xi minus x bar. So here first find out the value of x bar, that is sum of the all given observations, that is 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 divided by total number of observations, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we will get sum of numerator equal to 80 divided by 8. So here we will get 10. Next write down here first column equal to xi value, that is like this, that is 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. Next xi minus x bar. So x bar equal to, we got 10. So xi minus x bar is 4 minus 10, that is minus 6. So we took here modulus. So we will get all sign equal to positive. So 6. Next 7 minus 10, that is 3. 8 minus 10, that is 2. 9 minus 10, 1. 10 minus 10, 0. 12 minus 10, 2. 13 minus 10, 3. 17 minus 10, 7. So here sum of this value equal to 24. Therefore substitute in the formula. Formula is mean deviation about mean equal to 1 by n into summation of xi minus x bar equal to 1 by 8 into 23, that equal to 3. So this is the solution of the first question. Next one. Here also we have to find the value of mean deviation about. So consider here values 38, 70, 48, 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 54, 44. So if you want to find out the mean deviation about mean, here not necessary to arrange the given data in terms of ascending or descending order. So find the values directly. So consider here x bar equal to sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Sum of observation is 38 plus 70 plus 48 plus 40 plus 42 plus 55 plus 63 plus 46 plus 54 plus 44. So here sum of all observations equal to 500 divided by total number of observations, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here total number of observation equal to 10, that is 500 divided by 10 equal to 50. Next find out the value of modulus of xi minus x bar, that is absolute values for the given data, that is 38 minus 50, that is 12. 70 minus 50, that equal to 20. 48 minus 50, that equal to 2. 40 minus 50, that is 10. 42 minus 50, that is 8. 55 minus 50, that is 5. 63 minus 50, that is 13. 46 minus 50, that is 4. 54 minus 50, that is 4. 44 minus 50, that equal to 6. So take here sum of these all observations, that is 84. Therefore mean deviation about mean is 1 by n. Here n is the total number of observations. Next sum of this absolute values, that is 84 divided by 10, that equal to 8.4. So this is the required value. Next question. Given observations are 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12, 17. So here we have to find out the value of mean deviation about median for the questions 3 and 4. So first arrange here given data in ascending order, that is 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18. So count here total number of observations, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here n equal to 12. So which is even. So to find out the value of median, if the values are or number of observations are even, then we have to consider the two values, that is n by 2 plus 1. Next n by 2th observations, that is 6th and 7th observations. So count here values, first, second, third, fourth, 5, 5th, 6th and 7th, that is 13 plus 14 divided by 2. So that equal to 13.5. So by taking capital M equal to 13.5, find out the value of xi minus capital M, that is 13.5. Therefore 10 minus 13.5, that is 3.5. 11 minus 13.5, that is 2.5. 11 minus 13.5, 2.5. 12 minus 13.5 equal to 1.5. 13 minus 13.5 equal to 0.5. 13 minus 13.5 equal to 0.5. 14 minus 13.5 equal to 0.5. 16 minus 13.5 equal to 2.5. 16 minus 13.5 equal to 2.5. 17 minus 13.5 equal to 3.5. 17 minus 13.5 equal to 3.5. 18 minus 13.5 equal to 4.5. So take the sum of these values, that is 28. Next take the formula, that is mean deviation about median, that equal to 1 by n into summation of modulus of xi minus m. So that is 1 by 12 into 28, you will get 2.33. This is the required value. Next question, 36, 72, 46, 42, 60, 45, 53, 46, 51, 49. Here also we have to find the value of mean deviation about median. So count here total number of observations, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of observations are 10. So this is even. So we have to consider the value of mean deviation about median. So first find out the value of m, that is n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observations, that is 46 plus 49, that is 5th and 6th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5th plus 6th observation, that is 46 plus 49 divided by 2 equal to 95 by 2. So we will get 47.5. So next find out the value of absolute values for xi minus m. So you will get here 36 minus 47.5 equal to 11.5. 42 minus 47.5 equal to 5.5. 45 minus 47.5 equal to 2.5. 46 minus 47.5 equal to 1.5. 46 minus 47.5 equal to 1.5. 49 minus 47.15 equal to 1.5. 51 minus 47.5 equal to 3.5. 53 minus 47.5 equal to 5.5. 60 minus 47.5 equal to 12.5. 72 minus 47.5 equal to 24.5. So next take the sum of all these observations, that equal to 70. Therefore mean deviation about median equal to 1 by n into summation of absolute values of xi minus m, means sum of this xi minus m, that is 70 divided by 10 equal to 7. So this is the required answer. And next question, find the mean deviation about the mean for the data for the following questions, that is 5th and 6th question. So consider here 5th example, xi equal to fi equal to they given, that is xi equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and frequencies are 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. So first put here this bracket, though we will get here. So first column is 5 xi values, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Next frequencies are they given. Next we have to find out the value of fi into xi. That is, to find out the value of mean, we have to find out the value of n. N is nothing but sum of frequencies, that is this one. Next summation of fi into xi. So here 1 by n into summation of fi into xi. So substitute the value. Sum of frequency is equal to 25. Fi into xi value is 350. So we will get 14. Next, mean deviation about mean. So first write down the formula, then you will get which values we have to find. That is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus x bar. So we have finded x bar already. We have to find out the value of xi minus x bar as one column and fi into xi minus x bar as another column. We know the value of capital N. So here xi minus x bar equal to 14, xi equal to 5. So 5 minus 14 equal to 9, 10 minus 14 that is 4, 15 minus 14 that is 1, 20 minus 14 that is 6, 25 minus 14 that is 11. So next multiply these values into frequencies, that is 7 into 9, 63, 4 into 4, 16, 6 into 1 that is 6, 3 into 6 that is 18, 5 into 11 that is 55. Next take the sum of these values, that is 158. Next, by using this table we can find the value of mean deviation about mean. Therefore substitute this value, that is 158. Next sum of frequencies is 25. Therefore we will get 6.30. So this is the required value for this question. Next question number 6. xi equal to 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 4, 24, 28, 16, 8. So here we have to find out the value of mean deviation about mean. So to find out that one, you have to consider this table first. Before that, write down the formula. You will get the necessary values. So mean equal to 1 by n into summation of fi into xi. Means we need the sum of frequencies and the product of the xi and fi. Next, mean deviation about mean is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus x bar. So we have to multiply frequencies into xi minus x bar. So here required columns are, first one is xi, fi, they are given. Next we need fi into xi. Next we need xi minus x bar values for absolute. Next fi into this column. So we will get the value. Therefore first find out the value of mean, that is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi. So here sum of frequency and given observations is 4000. Next divided by sum of frequencies is 80. That is 4000 divided by 80 equal to 50. Next, by using this one, find out the value of xi minus x bar. X bar equal to 50. So 10 minus 50 that is 40. 30 minus 50 equal to 20. 50 minus 50 equal to 0. 70 minus 50 equal to 20. 90 minus 50 that equal to 40. Next multiply frequency into this one. 4 into 40 that is 160. 24 into 20 that is 480. 28 into 0 that is 0. 16 into 20 that is 320. 8 into 40 that equal to 320. Next take the sum of these values. We will get 1280. Therefore mean deviation about mean is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus x bar, that is 1280 divided by 80 that equal to 60. This is the required answer. Next question, find the mean deviation about the median for the data in the exercises 7 and 8. So question number 7 is xi equal to 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Fi equal to 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. So next, first write down the formula for mean deviation about median. To find out that one, first we need the value of capital M. Next we need the value of mean deviation about median formula, that is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus m. So by using this two formula we can find the value of mean deviation about median. So first put this table, that is xi, fi, cumulative frequency, next xi minus 7, next fi into xi minus 7. 7 we will find out this value. So here first find out the value of cumulative frequency. So first we have to write first term as it is. So here next question is find the mean deviation about the median for the data in the exercises 7 and 8. So consider here xi equal to fi equal to. So to find out the mean deviation about median, first we have to find out the value of cumulative frequency. So for that we have to consider first value as it is. Next we will get second value by adding this first value and this second value, that is 6 plus 18 equal to 14, 2 plus 14 equal to 16, 2 plus 16 equal to 18, 2 plus 18 equal to 20, 20 plus 6 that equal to 26. Next this value is nothing but sum of all the frequencies. Next we have to consider the capital M equal to capital N by 2, that is 26 by 2 that equal to 13. So here we have to take the cumulative frequency just greater than 13, so that is 14, and the corresponding value of x is 7. Corresponding value of x is 7. Therefore m equal to 7. So xi minus capital M equal to 5 minus 7, that is 2, 7 minus 7 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, 10 minus 7 is 3, 12 minus 7 is 5, 15 minus 7 is 8. Next multiply this one into frequencies, this column, that is 8 into 2, 6 into 0, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 5, 6 into 8, that equal to 48. Therefore we will get sum equal to 84. Therefore cumulative frequency just greater than 13 is 14. So we have considered m equal to 7. Therefore mean deviation about median is 1 by n into summation of fi into absolute values of xi minus m, that is 84. Therefore 84 by 26 is 3.23. Next question number 8. xi equal to 15, 21, 27, 30, 35. Frequencies are 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next here also procedure is same. We have to consider this table xi, fi, cumulative frequency, xi minus capital M. Next fi into xi minus m. So first find out the values of cumulative frequency. So we will get cumulative frequency by taking first value as it is. Next for the second value, sum of second and this first value, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 8 is 14, 7 plus 14 is 21, 8 plus 21 is 29. Therefore sum of frequencies are 29. Therefore find out the value of n by 2. N means sum of frequencies, that is 29 by 2, that equal to 14.5. Therefore we have to consider the value of capital M equal to just greater than 14.5. So here we should not consider 14, we have to consider the value greater than 14.5, that is 21. Therefore, and we have to consider the corresponding value of x is 30, so that equal to capital M. So this value is this one, that is 30. So xi minus 30, 15 minus 30 is 15, 21 minus 30 equal to 9, 27 minus 30 equal to 3, 30 minus 30 equal to 0, 35 minus 30 equal to 5. Therefore fi into xi minus m, so we will get these values. Therefore take the sum of the values, we will get 148. Therefore mean deviation about median is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus m, that is 148 divided by 25 equal to 5.5. so this is the required value. Next question, find the mean deviation about the mean for the following data. Here they given the continuous frequency distribution for question number 9 and 10. So they given income per day and number of the persons. So this is nothing but frequencies. We have to consider this one as frequency. Next we have to consider xi column as midpoint of these given class intervals. So that is income per day, that is 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300. Find out the midpoint of these class intervals, that is add these two values and take divided by 2, we will get the midpoint. Next 100 plus 200 divided by 2 is 150. 200 plus 300 500 divided by 2 is 250. 300 plus 400 is 700 divided by 2 is 350. 400 plus 500 divided by 2 is 450. 500 plus 600 divided by 2 is 550. 600 plus 700 divided by 2 is 650. 700 plus 800 divided by 2 is 750. Next frequencies are 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3, that is 50. Next fi into xi, that is 50 into 4 is 150 into 8, 250 into 9, 350 into 10, 450 into 7, 550 into 5, 650 into 4, 750 into 3. So we will get this value. So first find out the mean, that is summation of fi into xi divided by sum of frequencies, we will get 358. Therefore xi minus x bar equal to, we will get these values, that is xi means 50, x bar means 358. We have to take the absolute values. Next multiply frequencies into these values, we will get this one. Next write the formula for mean deviation about mean, that is 1 by capital N. Write that formula correctly. 1 by capital N into summation of fi into xi minus x bar, that equal to 1 divided by 50 into 7896, that is 157.92. Next question is heights in terms of centimeters. Next number of boys, that is 95 to 105, 105 to 115, 115 to 125, 125 to 135, 135 to 145, 145 to 155. Next here number of boys, that is the frequencies, that is 9, 13, 26, 30, 12, 10. Next find out the value of midpoints, that is 95 plus 105 divided by 2, we will get 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Next find out the value of mean, that is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi, that is 1 by 100 into 12530. So we will get here 125.3. Next mean deviation about mean. So to find out this one, first we have to calculate here xi minus x bar, we will get these values. Next fi into xi minus x bar, so here 1128.8, that is the sum of the fi into xi minus x bar value. So that is mean deviation about mean is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus x bar, that equal to 1 by 100 into 1128.8, that is 11.28. So this is the required value. Next question number 11, find the mean deviation about the median for the following data. So here marks are and number of girls. So here also procedure is same. Consider marks as the xi. Next number of boys as the frequencies. Next xi is nothing but midpoint of this class intervals. So midpoint of 0 to 10 is 5, 10 to 20 is 15, 20 to 30 is 25, 30 to 40 is 35, 40 to 50 is 45, 50 to 60 is 55. Next frequencies. First find out the value of cumulative frequency. So here cumulative frequency, first term as it is. Next for second term add first and second values, that is 8 plus 16 is 14, 14 plus 14 is 28, 28 plus 16 is 44, 44 plus 4 is 48, 48 plus 2 is 50. So here consider the capital M equal to n by 2 of, that is 50 by 2, that equal to 25. So for this M is nothing but the value of this exciter, that is median of the class interval 20 to 30, because we have considered the value 25. So just greater than 25 is 28. Next here x bar capital M equal to 25. Next here to find out the value of median, we have to consider the formula. So first write down the formula, that is lower limit of the class interval, that is 20. Next plus 25 minus 14, 25, that is xi. Next minus 6, that is 14, divided by, next into class width, that is 10, that equal to 20 plus 7.85, that equal to 27.86. Next mean deviation about median, that is 1 by n into fi into xi minus capital M. So this is the value of M. So subtract this one from all the xi observations. So 5 minus 27.86, that equal to 22.86. Next 8 minus 27.86, that is 12.86. 14 minus 27.86, that is 2.86. Like this we will get these observations. Next multiply these observation into frequencies, so we will get this one. Next take the sum of all the observation. Therefore mean deviation about median is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus m. So that is 1 by 50 into 517.16, that equal to 10.34. Next question is calculate the mean deviation about median age for the age distribution of 100 persons given below, that is 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, next 41 to 45, 46 to 50, 51 to 55. So here they given the age difference, but here these two values are not same. So first we have to make this values equal to same. So because of that we have to add and subtract 0.5 from lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit of the each class intervals, and this is the frequency. So here we will get, so subtract 0.5 from lower limit, add 0.5 from upper limit, so value will not vary. So that is 16 minus 0.5, that is 15.5, 20 plus 0.5 is 20.5. Like that write down all these modified class intervals. Next find out the midpoint, that is adding these two values divided by 2 gives the value of midpoint. Next frequencies, find out the value of cumulative frequency, that is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Next 12 plus 11 is 23. 14 plus 23 is 37. 26 plus 37 is 63. 12 plus 63 is 75. 16 plus 75 is 91. 91 plus 9 is 100. Therefore n by 2 equal to 100 by 2, that is 50. So here 50. Next median of the class is 35.5 to 40.5. This one. So cumulative frequency is just greater than 50 is 63. So we have to consider the class interval of that one, that is 35.5. So here L equal to 35.5. Next H equal to, that is class width, that is 5. Next substitute in the formula, write the formula for median, that is M equal to, next 30.55 plus 50 minus 37 divided by 26 into 5, so we will get 38. Therefore, mean deviation about median. For this, first calculate these two columns, that is xi minus m. Next fi into xi minus m, we will get 735. Therefore, we will get mean deviation about median equal to 735 divided by 100, that equal to 735. So this is the required answer, and this is the last question in the exercise 15.1. In next class we will continue the remaining syllabus.